नमस्ते, मैं माधव कीर्ति इंटरनेशनल होलिस्टिक योगा गुरु एंड इंटरनेशनल हेल्थ कोच। हम इस वीडियो से ये बताना चाहते हैं कि व्हाट आर द स्टेजेस ऑफ द डिजीज़। नाउ इन नेचुरोपैथी और नेचर क्योर और दिस इज़ कॉल्ड इन संस्कृत नैसर्गिक उपचार, देर आर 3 stages of disease only. The first stage that is जीर्ण रोग, acute. So जीर्ण रोग is a kind of symptoms which is given by the body, and when body gives you the symptoms in terms of जीर्ण रोग, which is like a headache, fever, loose motions and sneezing and all these kind of things is called जीर्ण रोग. So when you don't manage जीर्ण रोग naturally, or you have taken a medicine, what medicine did is basically it suppressed those things. So the moment you feel fever and you went and you have taken paracetamol or something for your headache or something for your sneezing problem. So the moment you have you got this जीर्ण रोग in your body and you taken help from medicine, what medicine will do? Basically it will suppress you. So the moment you suppress जीर्ण रोग, the next तीव्र रोग will come, which is like a chronic. And then even at the तीव्र रोग, if you don't find some solution, through nature cure or yoga or detoxification, through diet, then it will again suppress with the medicine. Because medicine, what it does is it cures your symptomatic problem. So when you got a headache, so headache is, your pain is there, so you take the medicine, and then what will happen is your pain will subsidize. So that medicine will only, what they do, symptom, reduce the symptoms, but what was the cause? Were you or are you able to see inside that why headache has come, why there is a fever, why there is a sneezing? So instead of introspecting, instead of understanding why these things has come up on our body and how to manage it naturally, that is important. So instead of managing it naturally managing means no suppress, but when you go for the medicine, then there is a suppression. So you take the medicine and you suppress the disease. So what happened? Again you suppressed on the chronic level, it will go to disastrous, which is called ghataka, danger disease. So the nature within us are so friendly and our well-wisher that it never puts you under any ghatak rog, dangerous, disastrous disease. Though before that it gives you symptoms as number 1 जीर्ण रोग, and then number 2 तीव्र रोग, and then and when you don't know how to manage that तीव्र रोग, then it becomes disastrous, which is ghatak rog. Now here we need to understand at each and every stage it is very well manageable through nature cure, but if it is taken care at a जीर्ण रोग through nature cure without medicine, then definitely there is no chance of coming up and increasing this जीर्ण रोग till the level of तीव्र रोग. And then even at the तीव्र रोग, if you can manage with the nature cure, yoga and some natural and alternate methods without medicine, then it cannot go to the next level called ghatak rog. So even at the ghatak rog also nature cure can help you. There is no doubt, nature will help you, nature cure will help you, alternate therapies may help you, but for the nature cure it becomes difficult and the healing becomes very slow, and it depends on what kind of life force you have still there in the body. So in this video I wanted to tell you that stages of the disease. So there are 3 stages of disease. First is जीर्ण, acute, if it is suppressed, then second तीव्र, chronic, and if it is suppressed, then ghatak, disastrous, and then khatam. So please try to understand the जीर्ण stage, try to manage जीर्ण, acute at the first level. Okay, so the moment you get fever, sneezing, headache, loose motions, you understand there is something wrong in your body, you need to detox it. Some toxins might have been accumulated, So you need to detox it. You need not to look outside solution for medicine or something. You need to look inside what is happening, what happened, so that it has happened. So please take care of it. And if you have any question, please don't forget to ask me. My number is there down, and you can ask anything, or you can note down my number. My number is 9811029642. I will repeat once again, 9811029642. You can WhatsApp to me and you can ask anything that related to your health. My promise is to keep you life without medicine, to keep your life without medicine and naturally. Thank you very much. Namaste.